That's Jim O'Rear's Wacky World.
Ladies and gentlemen, ghouls and freaks, buckle up. Because today we're talking about Tales of Terror, Central Florida's only 18-plus haunted attraction. That's right, no kids allowed. Finally, a haunt where you don't have to dodge a sticky-fingered 5-year-old dressed as Spider-Man who's about to wipe chocolate all over your leg. This place is strictly for grown-ups who want their nightmares delivered at adult size. Tales of Terror is nestled in the mysterious land of Astatula, Florida. Don't know where that is? Don't worry, neither does your GPS. Just follow the screams, the flickering lights in the swamp, and the faint smell of bug spray mixed with Axe body spray, and you'll find it. This haunt is on the grounds of Mike Busey's Sausage Castle, which, I assure you, is exactly as questionable as it sounds. Nothing says Halloween fun like trying to explain to your grandmother that you spent the weekend at a sausage castle. This year's two big themes are the Cult Bloodhouse and Deadlight Alley. The Cult Bloodhouse is advertised as Central Florida's wettest, bloodiest haunt. And let me tell you, when a Floridian says wettest, that's saying something.
Well, look at what we have here. Come on in.
Are we coming in? We're coming in. We're coming in.
Right this way.
All right.
Oh, yeah. This is where we kill them.
Oh, this is where you kill?
Yeah. And then we flush the guts out down there. It's all full of guts and hair now.
Oh, okay.
You want to eat some?
No.
I can feed you.
No.
Really delicious.
Oh, no.
Yummy.
Oh, that looks wonderful.
Ooh, chocolate. Look at him over there being a little pussy hiding him.
That's what you call being shit-faced. Oh, my. This is the haunt where you're guaranteed to leave soaked, shivering, and second-guessing your laundry detergent. Inside, the Whit family is waiting for you to carve you up like a Thanksgiving turkey. They're less meet the parents and more meet your doom. You'll get slimed, gunk smeared on your face, and more. Seriously, if you're not dripping by the end, you did it wrong. Now, this isn't your run-of-the-mill haunted house. Tales of Terror doesn't just scare you. They make you sign a waiver.
You done wandered into a hell you ain't never getting out of. Come here, boy. Come here.
Uh-oh. I'm in trouble.
Put your ass down.
I'm in
You're
trouble.
gonna have ourselves a meal.
Oh, my. This is my supper?
Take a taste. Take a taste.
Yum. That's wonderful. They offer different levels of intensity. Medium, high, and the infamous freaked up splatter haunt. Yeah, this is where you basically star in your own low-budget slasher film. You'll walk out drenched in water and fake blood, looking like you just lost a wrestling match with Carrie at prom. And me? Well, I'm old. I choose to stay as dry as possible when I'm in the swampy woods. I'm not signing up to be baptized in red Kool-Aid by a guy in a pig mask, thank you very much. I'll stick to the less extreme, yeah. Now, we didn't get to preview Deadlight Alley, because they wanted to keep it a secret for now. But basically, it's a black market of mutants, criminals, and things you don't want to meet in the dark alley. Or in the daylight even, for that matter. Here, flesh is currency. Yeah, you heard me, flesh. Forget Apple Pay, forget Venmo, and definitely forget carrying cash. Just peel off a layer of skin and boom, instant credit. Now, if you're worried that this all sounds a little too hardcore, don't panic. Tales of Terror lets you choose your level. Want to be physically grabbed, pushed, or otherwise manhandled by strangers in monster masks? Just wear a glow stick and congratulations. You've basically volunteered to be the evening's chew toy. No glow stick? You'll still be terrified, just slightly less soggy and manhandled.
Oh, wow.
That's lovely.
Yet I am still currently cleaner than I was in August. But Vicky can tell you, in August, I had stuff over here, stuff up here, black and red everywhere. Like, this is tame by comparison. Yeah, it is. But that just means that when we go back in, they're gonna hit me twice as bad.
And something else makes Tales of Terror really stand out. They've gone not for profit. That means all the blood, sweat, and fake intestines go back into the community. They run workshops in FX, acting, scenic design, you name it. So while you're screaming for your life in the woods, just know you're also supporting local artists and charities. And let's not forget, this place isn't just about scares. They've got entertainment, food, drinks, vendor markets, and more. It's like a spooky festival where you can get traumatized, then grab a hot dog, and finish the night by buying a candle that smells like pumpkin spice despair. So yeah, bring bug spray. Maybe bring a change of clothes. And definitely bring a sense of humor. If you're brave enough, head over to talesofterrorhaunt.com for dates, hours, location, tickets, and the latest info. And hey, before you go wandering off into the woods to sign your waiver and hand over your flesh currency, do me a favor. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below. Tell me, are you Team Deadlight Alley or Team Bloodhouse? Or Team I'll stay home and watch Scooby-Doo with the lights on? So thanks for watching. I will see you next time, assuming I survive the swamp.
Wacky World! That's Jim O'Rear's Wacky World! There's a UFO made of PVC, a werewolf that Denny's just sipping tea. You roast your grandma for stealing a sign that how to go.